everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a stunning 1971 Chevrolet C10 short box. Gorgeous truck, guys. It's got 6 miles on a complete frame-off nut and bolt restoration. Gorgeous truck. It's out of Tennessee. A buddy of mine, Scott, out of Tennessee, built this truck. Every nut and bolt's brand new. Gorgeous Fathom green metallic. It's got a tan Hounds Tooth interior. It's got an era correct big block 402 in it with air, disc brakes. It's lowered down on the ground just a little bit. 20-inch American racing wheels all the way around it. All new rubber. Sorry guys, got a little summer cold here. Gorgeous truck though. The bottom of this truck is just as nice as the top. It's painted Fathom green just like the rest of it. Cowl hood, all new tinted glass. I can't say enough about this truck, guys. I just drove it, put 2 miles on it. It's brand new. I mean, like I say, 6 miles on a complete frame off restoration. Chrome and stainless is slick. There's just not a whole lot that you can really even nitpick, guys. It's just pretty. Love the color combo. It's got gorgeous paint on it. Headlight needs to be adjusted there a little bit. New bumpers, new chrome, new stainless. I love the cowl hood on it. Truck's got a great stance. This is one of those vehicles that, if you've been watching my videos, when I walk up on it, just hits me right in the face. I don't have any other way to describe that, but man, this truck just hits me. Again, all new tinted glass. I love the Hounds Tooth interior. I love this color combo. It's got a cool dash, we'll show you. Really, you're buying a brand new 71, guys. Runs and drives excellent, nice and tight, doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle. I'm sure you're going to have some shakedown miles on it where you're going to be adjusting some stuff because it's so new. It's got 6 miles on it. But I can't think of 10 cents you'd spend on this truck. It's gorgeous. It's really a show truck. Turn the key, take it right to a show. All brand new wheels, brand new tires. This kind of truck, guys, spend $60,000, $70,000 in 2 years of their life building here, guys. That's why we always tell you to buy them done. Look how nice this thing is underneath the hood. It's got a 71, 72 date-coated 402 big block engine in it, Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock GM intake and exhaust manifolds. It's a standard rebuild, no monster cam or anything. It's got the chrome air cleaner, the chrome valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got aftermarket vintage AC on it. Aluminum radiator, still got the shroud on it. I mean, it is brand new, guys. .400 turbohydramatic trans. It's a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. We got it up in the air, got some good pictures of the bottom of it. I mean, you can wax it like you do the top. Again, all new glass. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck, man. Love the interior. All new carpet, all new interior. New fuel tank. It's got the sports steering wheel. This is a Dakota, I think it's called a VHX gauge cluster. It's really nice. The only thing on here, you can see it's got the GM radio in it. That's the only thing I found that's not working. Dual exhaust. Again, 12 bolt, 373 rear end. Sorry guys, a little wax on it. Pretty truck. Again, gorgeous underneath. You can show it with mirrors underneath it. Make sure I got that shut, Jay. Padded dash. It runs just awesome. So you just get your AC on, it blows ice cold. Awesome running truck, man. .3 miles. All your gauges are functional. This is to scroll through your data up here. Nope, radio does not work. Okay. Blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. Yeah, we got a bulb sticking on. We'll have to check that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that's a pretty truck, man. Have a great day, guys.